So once again, welcome to Hack Coding channel. And in this video, we'll continue. In the previous video, we have already seen how to set up the environment variables and how to basically download the code block. But in this, let's go one step further and let's check it. So many of the user have told me that they were facing problem in their code blocks and the code block was not configurable in their system. So I'll use the online compiler for you all. No problem. You can those who are using code block, it's okay. You can code there also. But those who want to code with me, they can code on the online platform thing. Okay. So before going to the online platform, okay, let me open which compiler I'm going to use. So you can type online C compiler. Okay, so now you can see this online GDB. Okay, I'll provide you link also which have to use. So first one you have to okay. So now you can see this is my console screen, right? That online C compiler, code compile, run and debug C online. So I'll let's start with it. I will just erase everything. So for your better conveniability. So the first thing in C programming that come is commenting the line. Comment means is like just the comments which you have to comment. It's like say, this is my first program. So this line will be ignored by the compiler. Okay, whenever the code will be executed, this line will be मतलब ये ऐसा है कि compiler will not see it at all. So for the single line, you have to use double slash, and for the multiple line comment. So this is my first program and a single line comment. Okay, and it is a single line comment. Now for the multiple line comment, what you have to do this slash and the asterisk. Asterisk is on the 8 number. So for the 8 number, what you have to do shift key plus 8 number. Okay, then you will get this asterisk sign. Shift key plus 8. So I'll erase this. Okay, so this is multiple line comment. Okay, so now here also multiple line comments mean you can have multiple lines comment here, whatever you want to write, it's okay. So now after writing everything comment, again you have to press the asterisk sign and this slash. So this is multiple line comment and this is the single line comment. Hope this is very much clear to you all. So what basically comment is, suppose you are working on a big platform and suppose there are thousands of developers. So this comment will help the other user कि हाँ उसने लिखा क्या actually, अगर वो start कर रहा है what is all a program all about. So I'll just erase everything and I'll start from the scratch. Okay, so the program this is the program just to write hello world. Okay, I just want to write a hello world on my console screen. This is my first program. Okay, और इससे ज़्यादा हम कुछ भी नहीं करेंगे इस ग्रुप में, तो सो विथ मी यू कैन टाइप ऑन योर स्क्रीन. ओके, सो you can also do along with me. So first thing you have to include is hashtag include stdio stdio.h. You will be wondering what is this, what I have written. This is nothing, just a header file. Stdio.h means .h is the extension for the header file. Okay, so stdio means standard input and output. So whatever the operation will take place in the C programming, the like inputting or outputting, that all the commands will take under the stio.h. Okay, so what I'm doing, just include, I'm telling the compiler, okay, we have sets of code, just include the stdio.h. Okay, is that clear? Now after include that h, you have to write just this is the int main and you have to this return 0. Okay, just I am writing what I did. You have to write int main, then open round bracket, and then again you have to close the bracket. So this is the int main. I am telling the compiler that my program, this main is the main function of the body. Okay, this main is the main. Whenever there is a curly bracket, remember that is function. Okay, that is function. So this is my main function. And what is the type of this? The type of this is int. Int means integer. What? Int means integer. So if the function is integer, it should return an integer value. Okay, so this 0 is what? 0 is an integer. Okay, so that's why I'm returning a 0. So this is the basic structure. अभी हमने इस प्रोग्राम में कुछ भी नहीं किया, तो ये तो आपको हर एक प्रोग्राम में लिखना ही लिखना है. ओके, अगर इफ यू आर गोइंग टू कोड एनीथिंग, दिस इज द बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर. इसके अलावा ही जो this is my function, this is my function body, everything, each and everything will be under this curly bracket only. Okay, remember everything will be under the curly bracket. Okay, is this clear now? Okay, let's go to one step more. Again I'll repeat, this is the header file. Okay, I'll comment here header हेडर फाइल। ओके, सो मतलब मैंने क्या बोला, कमेंट क्या है, इग्नोर करेगा, कंपाइलर बस यहीं तक रीड करेगा, इसको इग्नोर कर देगा, क्योंकि मैंने डबल स्लैश लगा के मैंने बस आप लोगों के लिए मैंने कन्वीनियबिलिटी लगा दिया। तो ये है क्या, मेरा फंक्शन, फंक्शन है, ठीक है। और ये जो इसके अंदर जो भी मैं लिखूंगा वो क्या होगा, फंक्शन बॉडी होगा। ओके, इज दैट क्लियर? सो ये आप रहने भी दे सकते हो, नहीं भी देने रह सकते हो, मैं फॉर द टाइमिंग आई जस्ट इरेज इट। ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू यूज प्रिंट एफ। मेरा प्रोग्राम क्या था, दिस इज प्रोग्राम जस्ट टू राइट अ हेलो वर्ड। तो मेरा प्रोग्राम क्या था, print okay, so I'll write a hello. So printf, now what I have done, printf, then open the bracket, then I have closed the bracket. So inside this I will have this double quotes. Okay, what, so whatever the command will be there, that will be inside this. So I'll write welcome to C programming. Okay, welcome to C programming, or whatever you want to write, whatever you want to give a message to the console. And now remember, it should end with this semicolon. Remember, every printf and return statement should end with semicolon. This you do not need to anything. अगर आप अभी आगे पाइथन में जाओगे तो पाइथन में सेमीकोलन का यूज ही नहीं है, पाइथन इज ऑल अबाउट इंडेंटेशन। बट सी प्रोग्रामिंग है तो आपको क्या बोलते हैं, इसमें आपको सिंटेक्स का ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा। ओके, सो दिस वेल प्रिंट ऑफ, यहाँ पे मैंने क्या रख दिया, सेमीकोलन लगा दिया। सो वॉट एवर द इनसाइड विल बी दिस वेलकम टू सी प्रोग्रामिंग विल बी एग्जीक्यूटेड, विल बी डिस्प्लेड ऑन माई। सपोज करो अगर मैं यहाँ से सेमीकोलन हटा देता हूँ, सपोज मैं यहाँ से सेमीकोलन हटा दिया और देन आई एम गोइंग टू रन दिस, then what I'll get, see expected semicolon before return statement. So so you can see the compilation failed due to following errors. So you can go, what is it is expecting, it is expecting a semicolon. So before return it is expecting a semicolon, so I'll put a semicolon here. Okay, remember, ये console जो है ना, this is your buddy, this should be your buddy, this will only teach you where I am doing errors, where I am doing getting errors. See line number 10. So line number 10 is return statement. Return statement से पहले it wanted the semicolon. You see main.c. Main.c is our file name. Main.c is our file name. Okay. 10 point comma 5. 10 जो है 10 line के पहले it wanted the expected. So now I will run this program. Now you can see the welcome to C programming. Is it nice? Okay. Yeah, we have successfully executed. So now suppose if you want to print out any other statement, so I'll just control copy. Okay, wait. I'll just copy and I will paste it again. So what now here I want to see, this is our third lesson. This is our third lesson. Okay, now if you run this, you can see, now you can see welcome to C programming. This is our third lesson. You can see many things you can print off this. So my basic structure was, what is this? So in this, if I'll wind up this, if I'll wind up this video, then what you learned in this video? Well, first you learned what is the basic structure. What is the basic structure of the C programming? That you have to write hashtag include stdio, you have to write int main, you have to open the curly bracket, you have to close the curly bracket, then you have to write the return statement. Suppose what I'm doing, I'm commenting the return statement. मतलब रिटर्न स्टेटमेंट को मैंने क्या कर दिया, कमेंट कर दिया, मतलब आई एम नॉट गिविंग एनी रिटर्न। देन इफ आई रन एरर, व्हाट, सी it will not throw any error, but systematically it is wrong. If it is an int, it should return a value. Okay, अगर देखो मान लो अगर मैं इसको कमेंट कर देता हूँ, क्या कर देता हूँ मैं, प्रिंटफ वाली स्टेटमेंट कमेंट कर दिया, देन व्हाट, then my console is blank. That's what the beauty of the C programming. देखा, मैंने कमेंट करने से क्या हो गया, this and all is everything vanished. Okay, whatever the thing was there, it vanished because I have commented this. Compiler will ignore. So again, if I uncomment this, मतलब फिर से I have not added the double slash. Then if I'll run this, then you can see welcome to C programming. This is our third lesson. I hope this was a very basics tutorial, and I guess till the next video, just see this video and try to implement. Again, what you do, you have to do this thousands of time. Okay, just erase everything. Again, what you do, hashtag include std, what you have to do, hashtag include std. Wait a minute, my keyboard is not working, std. Okay, then you have to write int main, you have to this, and then you have to, this is the basic syntax. Okay, then you have to return any statement, return, remember everything will come above written, everything will come above written, whatever the loops, whatever, everything will under. So I am just going to printf, this is my program. Okay, this is my program. Okay, so now I'll just end up with a semicolon, I'll end up with a semicolon, I'll run again. You can see this is my, on the compiler, this is my program. So again you erase it, again you write, you practice 5 times, because this is a very important thing. Here is what you start writing, you start coding the program. So this was all about this video. I hope you understood it very well. So till next video, stay tuned and keep learning, keep hack coding and keep coding. Jai Hind.